If you really think you're smart, then try to figure this trick out, because everybody watching this video will be fooled. Yesterday, I shared a video which on the surface appeared to be a very basic card trick. It's only 47 seconds long, and I challenged everybody to try and figure it out in the comments down below. This is that trick. If you really think you're smart, then try to figure this trick out, because everybody watching this video will be fooled. That's because the Queen of Diamonds will be at the 15th position, no matter how many times the cards are shuffled by the audience. Whenever they say stop, we will stop. Check this out. One more time. The 15th position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The 15th card, the Queen of Diamonds. Take your best guess in the comments below. And after seeing the trick, the more you think about it, the more your brain gets tied in knots, as you can see from the comments. But fear not, in this video I will be revealing the secret to that card trick. There is a caveat though. I'm going to teach you 3 different methods. One of them is legit, the other 2 are not it. You have to decide which one you prefer as the real working method. Let's begin. Method 1. Simply put, I just shot the trick over and over and over until I finally got the right card. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, 14, kill me. 1, 2, 15, 16, 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, the Queen of Diamonds. Method 2, video editing, or should I say audio editing. Listen to this next clip very carefully. You'll hear me say the King of Hearts at the 15th position. Every single card in this deck is different. The King of Hearts will be at the 15th position. But when it comes to the reveal, it's actually the 7 of Hearts at the 15th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The 15th card, the 7 of Hearts. Here's what I could have done to edit the audio and make it look like I nailed the trick. Once I knew what card was actually at the 15th position, I then recorded myself saying the 7 of Hearts at the 15th position. But I thought it was important to actually record it whilst covering my mouth in the same way so that it sounded identical. The 7 of Hearts will be at the 15th position. I then took that snippet of audio and replaced it at the exact position where I say the King of Hearts at the 15th position. The King of Hearts will be at the 15th position. Different. The 7 of Hearts will be at the 15th position. Every single card in this deck is different. The 7 of Hearts will be at the 15th position. 11, 13, 14. The 15th card, the 7 of Hearts. Master Magician or Master Technician. Method number 3, shuffle tracking. And this is basically how shuffle tracking works. Follow the Queen. I'll place her face up at the 8th position in the deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The Queen goes 8th, these go on top. I'm now going to overhand shuffle and make sure to reverse the Queen into the 8th position on the bottom. So I can take a chunk of cards and then run 1, 2, 3 or 4 before dropping the rest in a normal overhand shuffle. This will place the Queen exactly 8 from bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm now going to do a riffle shuffle, but I don't want to disturb that packet of 8 cards at the bottom. So I run past the Queen, continue to riffle. Queen is still at the 8th position. Now I'm going to do an overhand shuffle, and when I get towards the end, I'm going to run individually cards until I pass that queen and then drop the rest on top. Queen is now 8th from top once again. Finally, I'm going to riffle shuffle the deck and interweave the top stock of cards together. This will place the queen at the 15th position. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In one continuous shot with no cutaways, that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The queen goes 8th. The rest go on top. We overhand shuffle the cards, making sure the queen goes to 8th from bottom. We then riffle shuffle, making sure we avoid the queen. We overhand shuffle again, this time running the final few cards so that the queen goes 8th from top. We finish by riffle shuffling the queen directly into the 15th position, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 down. And that is what a wasted youth looks like. So, which method did I use? Comment down below to let me know which method, and more importantly, why you think it's that method, and I will pick a winner by the next video. The winner will receive a deck of my very own design, custom Moonshine Vintage Elixir playing cards, and I will ship them to you wherever you are in the world. I'll reveal the correct answer in the next video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. So, what's the method? I'll let you decide.